views on your YouTube videos, but your subscriber count just isn't moving. Well, you're not alone. This is one of the most common struggles creators have. And today I'm going to share why this happens, what it really means, and what you can do to start turning those casual viewers into loyal subscribers. Hi lovely people, and welcome back to Learn with Nia, the channel where I help those of us over 40 get set up and growing on YouTube. First, let's be clear, okay? If you're getting views, that's a good thing. It means people are finding your content, but the reason they're not subscribing usually comes down to one simple thing. They don't yet see your channel as for them, okay? They might enjoy that one video they've watched, but they're not sure what to expect next. So consistency, clarity and connection, that's what converts viewers into subscribers. One big reason that viewers don't subscribe, okay, is inconsistency. So if your videos jump from topic to topic, or if your posting schedule is unpredictable, it's harder for new viewers to decide to stick around. Subscribers commit because they know what kind of value you will give them next time. So even if you love variety, keep your theme clear, okay? So think about what connects all your videos together. Maybe it's your message, your story, or the audience you're talking to. The next reason is connection. So people subscribe to people, not content, okay? So you might be teaching, sharing, or inspiring. But do viewers actually feel like they know you? A simple fix is to bring more of your personality into your videos. And I always say this, okay? Speak like you're talking to just one person. Share quick personal stories, perhaps, or examples, and add warmth to your delivery. Because when people feel connected to you, they'll hit that subscribe button because they don't want to lose that connection. The third piece of advice I'd give you is clarity, okay? So if someone lands on your channel and can't instantly tell what it's about, they'll watch and then leave. And you don't need a niche that's tiny, okay? You just need clarity. So make sure your banner, titles and about section all align, okay? Your viewers should immediately know, well, this channel helps people like me with X, okay? Because clarity builds trust and trust builds subscribers. And the last piece of advice I'd give you is that a lot of creators forget to give viewers that gentle nudge, okay, at the end of the video or in the middle of the video. You don't need a long speech, just a simple friendly reminder that subscribing means they'll see more of what they've already enjoyed. So you could say something like, if you found this helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. It's simple, it works, and most viewers actually appreciate it, okay? So if you're getting views but no subscribers, focus on these 4 things. Consistency, so stay clear and predictable. Connection, show your personality. Clarity, make your purpose obvious. And call to action, remind viewers to join your community. Because once you focus on connection instead of numbers, subscribers will follow naturally. So comment below and tell me, are you getting views without subs right now? And don't forget to grab my free YouTube upload checklist. The link's in the description below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss another video, especially if you're over 40 and just starting out on YouTube. I am here to help you. And until next time, keep creating and I'll see you in the next one.